Hello and welcome to Healthy Smiles. It's a pleasure to have you here today, and I'd just like to show you around our dental practice, which we're very proud of. Welcome to Healthy Smiles, come on in. This is our reception area here. We have a lot of patients that obviously come into the building on a daily basis, so we want our patients to feel happy and comfortable in reception. Here we have a 3D printer where we can actually make our mouthguards and splints here on site. Our gratitude wall. This is something we are extremely proud of at Healthy Smiles. We love to create connections with our patients. We'll often have people come out and say, I want to be on this wall. Here are some of our great patients that have been to the practice over the last few years, just showing the before and after what their dental treatments entailed. I'm just going to take you along the front of the building now. We'll pop into one of our surgery rooms. This is pretty typical for what our surgeries look like. Nice and spacious. A very new, modern OPG machine. It's the latest technology and only installed earlier this year. We've got another 4 surgeries along the side here. Now we're going to continue back around to our reception area. But firstly, I want to talk to you about our promise wall. This is exactly what we have built the business on here at Healthy Smiles. We understand that a lot of people are quite anxious coming to the dentist. We're going to be here for you, we're going to listen to you, and we try and help them by greeting them with a friendly smile, making them feel like they are part of the Healthy Smiles family. I would love to introduce you to some of our amazing front office coordinators. All just beautiful smiles, as you can see, and it's a privilege to be at work with them every day. Upstairs in Surgery 9, I'm going to take you through to Dr. Jeremy's room. He sees a lot of our children at the practice for orthodontic work, but also general dental treatment. So that's Healthy Smiles. We can't wait to see you for your next appointment.